Welcome to Kitchen Counter Talks, where every counter tells a story. So my story is working on a gluten-free artisan loaf, and it's in my banneton bowl right now. I made some sourdough English muffins, and actually the gluten-free artisan loaf is sourdough as well. So that's in there rising right now. I made some sourdough English muffins. Then I didn't feel like cooking any eggs this morning, so I basically just put some butter on there, and I used my homemade farmhouse cheddar cheese to put it in there, and that's what everyone is eating for breakfast. Last night I made tacos, so those are some sourdough corn tortillas that I have left over that I can turn into tostados or use them again. I got a bread box that my lovely friend just gave me, so I'm going to fill that up with bread. The spray that I use for my counter is just in a simple spray bottle. It is just about this much vinegar and the rest water, and it works up to clean my counters all the time really good. So that's what I'm working on. And of course we have dirty dishes. And then over here in the oven I have some sourdough Hawaiian rolls that are rising in the oven right now. So what's on your counter?